Iran is facing one of the most volatile moments in its recent history. Under siege from foreign airstrikes, drone incursions, and internal unrest, the Islamic Republic's grip on power is beginning to show visible cracks, even within its military ranks. Exiled Crown Prince Reza Pahlavi has launched a secure communications channel, calling on Iranian military, government, and security officials to defect. He claims the system is already receiving a growing number of inquiries from those seeking to break with the regime and join a democratic transition. Veterans of the Shah-era military have joined the chorus, publicly appealing to current members of the Artesh, Iran's regular army, to stand with the people and reject the Islamic Republic. But their calls largely avoid the more loyal and feared Revolutionary Guard Corps, the IRGC. The regime isn't taking any chances. In response, it has ramped up domestic crackdowns. IRGC and Basij units have deployed heavily in cities and Kurdish areas. Checkpoints now dot the country. Phones are being searched, and hundreds have been detained, many without warrants. Meanwhile, tensions with Israel and the United States continue to escalate. On June 25th, Iranian air defenses opened fire near Abadan, close to the Iraqi border, targeting 3 unidentified drones. One reportedly crashed across the border in Iraq. Across Tehran and other major cities, explosions and gunfire have become part of the night's soundtrack. Iranian state media blames foreign threats, but locals suspect more: internal skirmishes, armed dissent, or a nervous regime firing at shadows. Analysts say the regime's ability to hold the loyalty of its military forces hinges on money, salaries, perks, and pensions. But with war, sanctions, and a crumbling economy, those financial incentives are wearing thin. This is your final chance to stand with the people. History is watching. Yes, gunfire has been heard on the streets. And no, there is no confirmed large-scale mutiny yet. But the regime's massive security deployments and rising panic paint a clear picture. They are worried. No confirmed mass defections. Increased military outreach to opposition channels. Heightened regime crackdowns. Public unrest growing, but not yet coordinated rebellion. Drone and air defense activity escalating. This is a regime holding on with clenched fists. The foundation is trembling, not yet collapsing. But what happens if the tide of defections rises? The world is watching Iran. The regime's future may hinge on whether its armed forces continue to obey or finally decide to break ranks.